Good morning, children. This is 8th Standard Maths, Chapter 7, Practical Geometry. So, in your Part 1 textbook, you have this chapter, children, Practical Geometry. So, in your 7th standard, you have studied the construction of triangles. So, in 8th standard, you are going to study the construction of quadrilaterals. So, we have a chapter called Understanding Quadrilaterals in 8th standard. So, in that, you have studied various types of quadrilaterals and their properties and problems. Now, in this lesson, we shall learn how to construct such quadrilaterals. So, the first construction in this chapter we have is construction of quadrilaterals when the lengths of four sides and a diagonal are given. We know that quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. Okay, then in a quadrilateral, we can draw a diagonal that connects the opposite vertices. So, in a quadrilateral, we can draw two diagonals, or you can also draw one diagonal. Now, consider the first question. Let us solve the first question. The first question is, construct quadrilateral ABCD. AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC 5.5 centimeter, CD 4 centimeter, AD 6 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. So children, when such questions are given, first we have to draw a rough sketch like how the quadrilateral can be constructed using such given data. So first we have to draw a rough sketch. So I have drawn a rough sketch ABCD quadrilateral. Write the measurements. AB 4.5 cm, BC 5.5 cm, CD 4 cm, AD 6 cm and diagonal AC is 7 cm. So, we know that when a single diagonal is drawn in a quadrilateral, the diagonal divides the quadrilateral into two congruent triangles. So we are obtaining from this single diagonal two triangles, namely triangle ABC and triangle ADC. So first, let us construct one triangle, that is ABC. Later we will construct another triangle ADC, so that when we join two triangles, we obtain a quadrilateral. So the first step what we have to do is use your scale, pencil, compass for the construction. Now the first is draw a straight line like this, and in the straight line mark here the point A. Since your rough sketch base is AB, so let us mark A. Next, the measurement AB is 4.5 centimeter. So now take your compass and scale, measure 4.5 centimeter. So children, this is 0. Keep your compass here and exactly measure 4.5. So it is here. So we have 4 here. 4.5 comes here. So use your compass and you can see here 0. Keep the compass at exactly at 0. Measure 4.5. So you have the measurement here 4.5. You can see here. It is 4.5. Okay, so it is 4.5. Now keep the compass at A and cut this straight line where mark here B, which AB measures 4.5 centimeter. Next, let us draw a triangle I told before. So from A to C, we will take the measurement AC, we have 7 centimeter. So use your scale, take 7 centimeter. So take like this 7 centimeter. Then keep the compass at A and draw an arc like this. Okay. Then BC. So when you take measurement of BC, you can construct a triangle. So BC is 5.5 centimeter. So take your scale, measure 5.5 centimeter. So children, now I have taken 5.5 centimeter using the scale. Now keep the compass at B and draw an arc. Okay. Now mark here the point C using your rough sketch and join from A to C and B to C. So your BC measurement is 5.5 centimeter, AC is 7 centimeter. So one triangle we got. Now we need to get another triangle. Now let us take the measurement AD from the rough sketch. Using the rough sketch, AD is 6 centimeter. So use the scale, take 6 centimeter. Then use your scale, keep your compass exactly at 0 and measure 6 centimeter. So this represents 6. So that is 6 centimeter. Then keep the compass at A. Draw one arc like this which measures 6 centimeter. Then from C we want another D comes here, that is 4 centimeter. So use your scale, measure 4 centimeter. Then keep the compass at C. I have taken 4 centimeter. Keep here and cut the arc. Okay. Now this point is D. Now let us join. So let us consider like this. Now from A to D, join it. Then from C to D, again like this, draw it. Did we obtain the quadrilateral, children? Yes, we obtained a quadrilateral. Write the measurement CD 4 centimeter, AD 6 centimeter. This is how to construct a quadrilateral. So when a single diagonal is given, divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. Construct the first triangle, later construct another triangle. So we will obtain the quadrilateral. This is the quadrilateral. So this is how to construct a quadrilateral first problem. So you can erase this line. So to take the proper measurement, we are just drawing a straight line and mark the point A, and exactly we are taking the base as 4.5 centimeter. After the construction, this is the quadrilateral. Next, to take the second construction in which we have to construct a parallelogram. So, construct a parallelogram MORE in which the measurements are given. OR is equal to 6 centimeter, RE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, EO equal to 7.5 centimeter. Therefore, the first step is draw a sketch parallelogram MORE. Then OR is equal to 6 centimeter. Then RE is equal to 4.5 centimeter and EO is equal to 7.5 centimeter. We know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So in opposite side, only one side is given. That is, RE is given with 4.5 centimeter. The property of a parallelogram says that opposite sides are equal. To ER, the opposite side is OM or MO, that also becomes 4.5 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal. Then OR is given with 6 centimeter. Then to OR, the opposite side is ME, that is 6 centimeter. So opposite sides are equal and the diagonal measurement is given, that is 7.5 centimeter. So again we know that a diagonal divides the quadrilateral. So parallelogram is a quadrilateral. So diagonal divides the quadrilateral or a parallelogram into two congruent triangles. So first let us draw first triangle, that is triangle MOE. Later we will draw OER. So to draw triangle MOE or MEO, take your scale. First draw a straight line and mark the point M. We know M was 4.5 centimeter. Use your scale, measure using your compass 4.5 centimeter. So from O it is, see here, 4.5 centimeter like this. Okay. Then keep the compass at M. Cut the straight line. Here you mark O. It is 4.5 centimeter. Then now we shall draw ME. So use your scale, take 6 centimeter next. So take 6 centimeter. Then keep the compass at M. Draw an arc. Then OE, that measurement is 7.5 centimeter. Again measure 7.5 centimeter. See, like this you have to measure 7.5 centimeter. 7, the big line is 7.5. 7.1 is near, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7.5. Keep your compass at O. Then cut the arc like this. Okay. Then mark this point as E. Now let us join so that like this one and like this. So write the measurement where ME will be equal to 6 centimeter. Then EO equal to 7.5 centimeter. Now let us draw another triangle OER. Already OE is drawn with 7.5 centimeter. Now let us take OR measurement 6 centimeter. So already taken 6 centimeter. So keep your compass at O and draw 6 centimeter like this. Okay. Next 6 centimeter. Then we need ER 4.5 centimeter. So measure 4.5 centimeter. So already taken with 4.5 centimeter measurement. Keep your compass at E and cut the arc like this. Okay. Keep your compass at E and cut the arc. Okay. Then that point becomes R. Then let us join it. We have here so OR and ER like this. Okay children. Then we have OR measurement which is equal to 6 centimeter. ER measurement is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Did we get a parallelogram children? Yes, this is how to construct a parallelogram MORE with the given measurement. This is the construction of a quadrilaterals. First, when the length of 4 sides and a diagonal is given.